Ferit Usta kebab saloon. We are here for buying Durum, Adana kebab, doner kebabs and doner filled in a pita bread pita as well. So I will try it.
Mr. Ham.
Mr. Ham.
Mr. Ham.
Here, this is chicken. They've cut it. There's sauce, salads, tomatoes,
Tomato,
onion, chili, and pickle.
Yes.
Behind there is a barbecue.
But this children sauce.
Children sauce.
Yeah.
This is children sauce, famous ice cream seller. The sauce of children. Now here it is.
This is the tomato sauce.
Yes,
The children sauce.
children sauce. Okay, we can see. Wow, cutting meat beautifully.
Buyur abi. Selamünaleyküm. Aleykümselam. Ne oluyor? Bana hayret ya.
Wow, wow, mashallah, beautiful. You see, this is what pita bread? No,
This is pita.
pita, right?
Yeah.
This
But
is
we say lahmacun.
lahmacun.
Yeah.
This is lahmacun.
It's a bit different. Than
Lahmacun and pita.
no, lahmacun. Lavash.
Lavash. Lavash.
Yes.
Lahmacun is a bread with
Bread with the meat.
keema.
Yeah.
See, making of a doner kebab. Doner.
Sos ketçap var mı?
But see, they've added iceberg lettuce, then onion, then they've added.
Ferit Usta.
Ferit Usta.
Ferit Usta. Assalamu alaikum, Ferit Usta. Nice to meet you. Marhaba.
Merhaba, hoş geldiniz.
He's a famous chef here, Mr. Ferit Usta. He makes by his own. See how it's cutting big piece of chicken meat. They are mixed together with spices and sauces. Now here he's adding salad, salt, pickle of cucumber, and then he will be folding it.
He?
I think it would become a durum, right? This is durum.
This is durum.
Durum is delicious. Turkish durum is the beautiful thing. Very simple recipe, but very delicious taste.
İçeri gel de dayı.
Lan kime?
Gel de şu şeye bakalım. Gel de gel.
Awesome. Now it is cooked there. There, you can see it's also making Adana kebab.
Yes.
This is Adana kebab. In their menu, there are different items. What is this?
Chicken wing.
Chicken meat. This is
Köfte.
kefte, lamb kefte.
Yes.
Right. This is shorba.
This is mercimek çorba which you
Madam
eat.
Shorba. Yes, we normally eat in our office, and this is the same thing which I made in a video. Okay. Ferit Usta.
YouTube'da. Tam söyleyeyim ben.
They call it kebab saloon because it's very big here. One of the most famous food of Turkey. Food chain. People loves to eat him. There you can see surrounding areas. I will also share them application if you are planning to try their meal, then you can visit here. Inside, and they are also sitting area on their first floor. Now this is our table. We have brought from Ferit Usta. No. This is ready to eat.
Aman ya.
ये सारे आइटम है, लवाजमात हैं, चिली, टमाटो, सलाद, पत्ता, onion.
Yemeyecek o.